Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Fuck that, pour up plenty of champagne, cold nights.
She just let me know, but they show no official. Didn't say you found it, but she's still gonna hold on. Didn't say you found it, but she doesn't want.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back with another video. And today is the day because the girls are getting their nails done today. They're getting their nails done for school. Jayana is first. It is 9:05 and we came to, it's called TCC Salon Studios, so that's where we're going to. We're waiting on a lady to pull up. From her page, her nail sets looked pretty good. We haven't been to her before, so she should be pulling up pretty soon, and we're gonna drop Jayana off, and then Jadeja gotta go to her friend's house and get her lashes done, because tomorrow is her 16th birthday, so she'll have nails and lashes. The only thing she won't have is her hair done just yet, because we're gonna wait, because her birthday is close to school and we don't want her hair to be messed up before she starts school. So we'll get that done at the end of the week so she can be right and look pretty junior year. So yeah, we're just waiting.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying if you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit.
So we are taking a break. We're eating Chick-fil-A right now. I got the spicy chicken sandwich with American cheese, some strawberry jelly, some fresh hash browns, and a lemonade. I'm waiting on my son to come back from the bathroom. He just ran down there to use it real quick. So Jayana's getting her nails done. We're just staying close, so waiting on her to call. I don't know how long it's gonna be, but I think she started late. She got there late, so she started at 9:30. It hasn't been that long, so I will come back to you guys and show you her nails once she is done.
I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry.
Do y'all do nose piercings or just ears? Okay. You want your second, huh?
Yeah. We can do my nose tomorrow. Different tiers. And then we have the aftercare solution. $5 or an advanced spray aftercare for $15. And that actually cuts your healing time in half.
Bust the milk, need a paper towel, give me another value, give me another hour.
This is Jayana.
She took pictures.
That's her nails. They are so pretty. Show them how. Oh my goodness, they
finna
are
post them, too.
sleek. Yeah, she gonna know how to act when she go to school. Do they even allow nails in school?
You done
They
showed out.
She right there. These are so cute. These little bitty bags. They are so pretty. I love them so much. Got these for $5. Not too bad, especially if you go to the gym and you drink a lot of water. 2 liters. And I got all colors. Yes, this is the outfit of the day. My King Von t-shirt representing real well Leo behavior, and that's how we do. We're gonna always represent a boo-boo. Hey you guys, so we're at the DMV awaiting in line. Today just gonna get her ID. She just turned 16 today, so we're waiting. She came out early this morning, but I was pretty tired from ripping and running yesterday, so we got out late. It's like 1:45, so hopefully they call her name soon. It's just the ID. It's not like she's doing anything extra. So while we wait, she is trying to get her free gifts that you can get online for your birthday. You should have been signed up, because most of them will only give it to you if you sign up like at least some days or months in advance for your birthday. Get the free gift. But right now I think she got who you got? Bath and Body Works. You got Crumble Cookie. And who else you got? Wingstop. I know it's a lot of more places, but I know Buffalo Wild Wings is on. I can get like 6 wings. I don't know, but she's trying. So while we're waiting to get her license, she's trying to get everything set up in order so we can just go pick it up and not have to wait. But that's what she wanted to do today for her birthday, other than going out to eat. And we'll probably do that this weekend. And then we got to see Jadasia nails yesterday. We seen Baba nails. Let me see your nails again, Baba, in case they didn't see it clearly. These are her nails. They are so beautiful. She did a great job.
I thought my birthday must be after Saturday.
Yeah, let me see your nails today. Yeah, real pretty. I love them. Yeah.
I war with you. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you got a woman? Why you hit me when you know better? Know you know better. Know you groove better than you do. Call me looking for you. I'll be looking for you. Got me looking forward to the weekend. Show baby, show baby, show baby.
A free crumble cookie for her birthday. Oh, that's so sweet. And what's the strawberry pound cake? This was the free item she got at Bath and Body Works. It's the travel size items. That's $9.95. I thought it would have been like a bigger size, but that's cool. This is what Jadasia got from Edible Arrangements. So if you want to get something for your free gift
Don't
at
go.
Edible Arrangement,
It's a waste of time.
she play with your top sis.
I've been holding back this secret from you.